In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Stripe checkout on any website. Begin by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Payment Links. This is where Stripe lets you create a checkout link that you can place on your website. Next, click Create Payment Link. You will now choose the product that this checkout link will be used for. If you already have a product set up in Stripe, select it from the list. If not, create a new product and enter the required details so Stripe can generate the payment page for you. After that, configure the checkout settings for the link, set the price for the product, and adjust the quantity options if you want customers to be able to buy more than one. Then review the available payment methods and choose the ones you want to offer. You can also go through any additional preferences that Stripe provides for the checkout experience and set them according to your needs. Once the setup is complete, take a moment to review all of the payment link details. Make sure the product, pricing, and checkout settings are correct. When everything looks right, click Create Link. Stripe will then generate a unique payment link for that checkout page. Now copy the payment link that Stripe gives you. This is the link you will place on your website, so customers can open the Stripe checkout page directly. Add a button or a text link, depending on how you want it to appear on your site. Once that element is added, paste the Stripe payment link into the destination URL field for that button or text link. When the site is live, test the button or link yourself to make sure it opens the correct Stripe checkout page. This final check helps confirm that visitors will be taken to the right place when they are ready to make a payment. Using Stripe payment links is a simple way to add checkout to almost any website without building a custom payment flow. Once the link is connected to your button or text, your customers can go straight to Stripe checkout from your site. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.